India had 28 states,
Oh,
8
India.
union
Wow.
territories.
Okay. Wow, 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 wow.
Those things.
So you learn all these things. Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Because you're used to it, you are used to that particular place.
yeah. I'm born in that place.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, Firstly, it take 30 minutes, means half an hour to reach
Mhm.
school.
All right. Okay. So how many sessions have you had on English Yari?
I have taken 20 session in
20.
English Yari.
Okay. How do you like it?
I find it really
Really? Oh, that's
interesting.
good. Mm-hmm. Okay. What's so interesting about it?
I love to speak in English.
Very good. Very good. All right. So you have a passion for English. You want
Yes,
to
I
learn
do.
it and speak. No?
Yes.
Who do you want to speak like when you grow up?
I just want to become an English tutor.
Oh, really? Okay, that's good. All right. In which class are you? I forget your name. Can you tell me once again your name?
Sudiksha.
Sudiksha. Sudiksha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sudiksha, tell me, in which class are you studying?
I am in KG3.
KG.
KG3 blue. KG3 blue.
Okay. All right. Okay. Sudiksha. Sudiksha. All
Yeah.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, all right. So tell me something about your activity. You wanted to ask me question. Sorry, sorry. You wanted to ask
What
me
is your name?
my name, Sudha. Sudha.
Sukha. Do
Sudha.
you think
Sudha. Sudha.
my name spelling is Sudhikshah.
Minus Sudha. Sudha. Okay.
Do you think so? Our name is similar.
Very similar. Very similar. But your name is sweeter. So Diksha, your name is sweeter. You know the meaning of Sudha?
No,
In Sanskrit, it means nectar.
like the
Nectar, honey, God's food. Amrit. We call it Amrit.
yeah.
That
Um,
is Sudha.
Sudiksha. Do you know what it means, Sudiksha?
No, no, tell me. Tell me.
Sudiksha is a beautiful name of Sanskrit organs. It means a person with pure intention,
Intention
blessing
or
of
intelligence?
blessing of achievement.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Very nice name. Very meaningful name. You have sibling? You have brother or
Hmm.
sister?
No, I do have brother or sister, but in India, not in Brunei. I just have my mom and dad in Brunei. Only 3%. Me and my mom and my dad.
All right. So you are now in Brunei.
Yes, I am in Brunei, and
Okay.
in my I have a big whole family.
Right. Okay.
I have three, four brothers, sister, two
Mm,
grandparents,
mm,
and two one mom and one
mm,
two dad.
mm.
One mom and two dad.
Have you ever lived in India?
Yes, I do live in India.
You did live in India. When? All right. Okay. Did you participate in any festival?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Now we have Diwali round the corner.
Yeah, and Diwali is around the corner.
So will you celebrate it in Brunei?
Yeah, we will.
Mm-hmm. All right. How will you celebrate? You know how?
We'll we will. My dad will take me and my mom to a shopping center, and we will decorate our house, make rangoli, and these things.
Okay. All right. So you get your new clothes stitched, or you buy new clothes for Diwali.
So I already have a new clothes, so I will wear
You
that
don't want.
clothes in Diwali.
Okay. When is your birthday?
Not in my birthday. My birthday in May
May.
27 May,
Oh, okay. All right. So it's already over this year.
and it will come. It will come December.
This will come in next May, next year,
Next
2026.
year 2026.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have many friends
Yeah,
around
I
your
have,
house, neighborhood, in your
I,
neighborhood?
yeah, I have one friend, my BFF friend, and my
Wow.
neighbor. They
Really?
are my neighbor.
What's her name?
Her name is Aisha.
Oh, okay. All right. So do you usually play together after school hours?
Yeah, after we play in the park. We used to play in the park. Now I
Mhm.
shall have to go forever.
Mhm. Okay, all right. Okay. So
Okay.
daily you meet, daily you meet, daily you
Yeah, we
play.
don't know. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color, I think, is pink, pink, purple. I love all colors, all hues.
I I, I love all the color of the rainbow, but I love pink and purple the most.
Ah, so we have very much in common. Our names also
Yeah. And
similar,
other
and we
color,
like the same colors also, right?
yeah. uh,
What is your favorite game?
my favorite game is hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Okay, all right. I also used to love it when I was a child.
Yeah, this is a very common game in India.
Correct, correct, correct. What is a common game in Brunei?
Brunei is a common name. Hide and seek,
Hmm,
common game.
hmm.
It's hide and seek, and it have we can play in Brunei hide and seek. Everybody know hide and we can rock paper scissors is the common name in India.
Hmm.
Game in India and hide and seek even.
Okay, all right. And tell me something about your school.
My school name is B. My school name is BDS Foundation.
Hmm,
My there are many classrooms in my school and a library.
okay.
There there are lots of teachers in my class.
Hmm,
Teacher the teachers are very kind and helpful.
very helpful. Okay, all right. So, do you know? Does the teacher ever scold you
Sometimes,
when the students make a lot of noise?
yeah, the rule they have to follow the rule. Be
Okay.
quiet. Don't make loud noises.
Hmm,
Don't play inside the classroom.
right. Okay. All
Yes,
right. Hmm. But you like going to school.
I do like to go to school.
Hmm.
There are lots of fun. There are lots of activities.
Uh-huh.
This, that's one.
So, which is your favorite activity in school?
My favorite activity is my favorite. I have two favorite activities at school. One is participate and at performance, like dancing
Wow, very good. You know
and
Indian dance?
coloring. No, I don't
So, what sort of dance do you do there?
like dance.
On
Hip
English
hop
songs?
song.
Oh,
Hip hop
okay.
song.
Okay.
And, and, and I like to paint.
Paint. Oh,
Yeah,
can you show me some of your paintings? It is there with
yeah.
you right now? Or
I
you
did. I think I do some painting. Thing.
okay. What do you normally paint? You know, flowers,
No,
peacock,
I
birds.
like. I just really paint
Mm,
these kind of things like a girl, a mermaid, these things.
okay, mermaid also. All right.
Yeah,
Okay. Hmm. So, what is the place like you are living in? It is an island, isn't it?
it's not an island. It's Asian country.
Okay. So, is it far from your place, the school, or
It,
nearby?
it uh, uh, firstly it take 30 minutes, means half an hour to reach
Mhm.
school.
All right. Okay. So, when you come to India, where do you come normally? Which is your hometown?
Dhanbad. It's in
Dhanbad.
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
It's in Jharkhand.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a beautiful hilly place, no? Jharkhand.
Yeah, Jharkhand.
Mm.
But it's Dhanbad is in Jharkhand.
Mhm. Okay. I think there is a lot of mining there. Mining,
What do you say?
mining, mining.
Yeah,
Hmm. Okay. So you like living in India or in Brunei?
I like living in India the most.
Yeah, because you are used to it. You know, you are used to that particular place.
Yeah, I'm born in that place.
Yeah. In India, what do you like?
In India, I like India is even the big country.
Mm.
India had 28 states,
Oh,
8
India.
union
Wow.
territories.
Okay. Wow, 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 wow.
Those things.
So you learn all these things. Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah. So which is the most beautiful place in India? According to you,
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
Actually,
Right.
Shimla, Shimla.
Okay. How do you like Indian food?
I like Indian food. Yes,
Hmm.
I do.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food in Indian is like cotton cheese.
Cottage cheese, paneer. Yeah,
Yeah.
very soft, isn't it? Have you ever tasted South Indian food?
Oh yeah, I love Korean food, Japanese,
Korean food. Okay, all right.
and Japanese, Korean and Japanese food.
Japanese. Okay, all right.
Chinese, Korean, Japanese.
Mm. But not South Indian food.
Yeah, I do. I love all countries of food,
Okay.
but
Have you
not
tasted?
Japan.
Have
Hmm?
you tasted idli and dosa?
Yes, I do. I taste Italy and dosa.
Okay, all right. And then what about the sweet? I mean desserts, sweet dishes.
Dessert, dessert, right?
Mm.
My favorite in dessert is everything.
Everything sweet.
Yeah, yeah, everything.
Pudding and then kheer, paisam.
Yeah,
Mm.
everything.
Right. Okay. And then laddus and jalebis.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Does your mouth water
yes.
when you
No,
think of?
one last thing.
Right. Okay. Are you fond of reading?
I am fond of reading.
What do you read? Stories.
I read stories, these things. Story, of course. Yeah, my mom daily narrate me a story. Then every day. Then I am fond of reading books.
Okay. So, what is a story you know recently? Which story did mom tell you, narrate to you?
Oh, I know the caterpillar of story.
Caterpillar story. Okay. Tell
Yeah,
me. I'm also
hungry
fond of listening
caterpillar.
to story. Can you tell me?
Uh, it's hungry caterpillar.
Okay. Right.
On Sunday, he ate
Mm.
one lettuce, but
Oh.
he's still hungry.
Ah. Okay.
And Monday, he ate two bananas, but he's still hungry.
Oh. Okay.
And
What
in
an
fourth
appetite.
day, in, on Tuesday, he ate three peas, but he's still hungry.
Okay.
He
Wednesday.
ate
Wednesday.
four cabbage
Okay.
on
Four cab.
Wednesday, but he's still hungry.
Hmm.
And
What a ravenous appetite. Uh,
on fifth day,
mm.
he ate ice cream, pastries, lollipops, a piece of strawberry cake, a piece of uh, chocolate cake, a piece
My
of
God.
banana cake. He was full. Then was he got sick. Then he eat a, a nice leaf. Then he is good. Sorry, I'm under the weather right now.
Oh.
But but when he make a cocoon and he sleep there for
Mm.
two 20 days.
Oh.
Then he come out of the cocoon. Then
Came out
he is not a caterpillar. He is a butterfly.
butterfly. So butterfly, the caterpillar has gone into a cocoon stage and then it emerged as a beautiful butterfly, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is a
Yeah.
beautiful butterfly.
You know the process, the name of the process, how caterpillar becomes a butterfly.
Yeah, he sleep in a cocoon for 20 days.
Ah,
Then he come out after 20 days. Then I already told you he become a beautiful butterfly.
this is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis.
Okay, that means undergoing change, complete change from a worm to a beautiful butterfly. Yeah, right.
A worm to a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful butterfly.